Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready to build something amazing? Today, I'll show you how to build your first website from zero. Every website uses three core technologies you must understand first. HTML builds structure, CS styles design, and JavaScript adds interactivity to your pages.
HTML is the backbone of every website. It defines elements like headings and paragraphs and creates the overall structure you see on screen.
CSS controls how your website looks. It changes colors, layouts, fonts, spacing, and makes your web page visually appealing and more engaging for users.
JavaScript adds interactivity to your website. It responds to user actions like clicks, shows messages, updates content, and makes pages feel dynamic.
Now that you understand the basics, let's start building your first real website step by step together from scratch using simple code.
First step is installing a code editor. This tool helps you write, organize, and test your website code easily without confusion or errors. Now open your code editor and create a project folder. This will store all your website files in one organized place for development. Inside your project folder, create three files: HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity to build a complete website. Start with HTML structure. Write dot-type HTML, then add head and body tags. These form the foundation of every website you create. Inside the body, add content like headings, paragraphs, images. This is what users actually see when they open your website in browser. Now save your file and open it in browser. You will see your heading instantly appear. This is how HTML rendering works live. After headings, add paragraphs using p tag. This helps you write text content explaining your website, making it more informative and readable. Now your structure is ready. Next step is styling with CSS. This is where your website becomes visually attractive, colorful, and professional looking. Now style your headings using CSS. You can change color, alignment, and spacing. This makes your website look more polished and professional. With CSS, your website transforms from plain text into a beautifully designed page. Small changes in code can completely improve visual experience. Always review your CSS code to ensure consistency. Small adjustments in spacing, colors, and alignment can greatly improve your website design quality. Now your website looks good. Next step is adding JavaScript to make it interactive, responsive, and more engaging for users visiting your page. When JavaScript runs in your browser, it can trigger actions like alerts, buttons, and events, making your website feel alive and responsive. Testing your JavaScript is important. It helps you confirm your code works correctly and ensures your website behaves exactly as you expect. By combining HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you create a complete website structure, design, and functionality, all working together inside one project. Congratulations, you just built your first complete website from scratch using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This is your first step into web development.
Keep practicing every day and try adding your own ideas like images, buttons, and animations to make your website more creative and unique.
After building your website, the next step is hosting it online so others can access your work from anywhere in the world.
There are many free hosting platforms available. Choose one that is simple, reliable, and beginner-friendly so you can easily upload your website.
Create your free account on the hosting platform. By entering your details, this will allow you to upload and manage your website online. After creating your account, you can access the dashboard where you will upload your website files and manage everything from one place. Now upload your website files, including HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, to the hosting platform so your site can be published online. After uploading your files, click Publish to make your website live and accessible so anyone can visit it using your unique link. Your website is now live. Open the link in your browser and check everything carefully to make sure it loads correctly and works. Always test your website on mobile devices to ensure it looks good and works smoothly, because many users will visit using phones.
You just built your first website. Now keep learning, keep building, and turn your skills into real projects that change your future.